Paano ba mag-intro?
What, what's up guys? Ito nga pala yung first ever podcast ng Lodi, episode 0. Let's start with Sean or Psychosis.
Hi everyone. My name's Psychosis. In-game name Psychosis, and my real name is Sean. Uh, yo.
Next would be Diane or Duchade04.
Hi guys.
Next is Sarah or Ice Cream underscore 07.
Hi guys, I'm Ice Cream or Sarah. Yo.
Yo. Next is William or Mr. Peanut Butt.
Wow, ito na agad yung episode 0 natin.
Oh, nice.
Oh, wait. Oh, hi guys. Hi. I'm William or Mr. Peanut Butt.
And lastly, last but not the least is Pau or iTask89. Yeet.
Yeah,
Ayun, so,
how's it going?
ay,
I had to mute myself. I'm sorry.
okay lang yan. So, ayun, ito nga yung first ever podcast natin and I just want to start it off with, oh yeah, I forgot to introduce myself. Ako nga pala si Patrick or Amoro94. Sorry about that. Pero yun, ito nga pala yung first ever podcast natin and I guess we can start with probably iniisip ng mga tao what's with the username. So, maybe we could start with that. Like, bakit ito yung username natin? So, maybe let's start with Sean na rin or Psychosis.
Okay. So I actually explained to them that I don't really have an origin story for this, but I actually do have an origin story. I came up with this username like 8 years ago. Kasi meron akong kilala na Mexican wrestler, pangalan niya Psychosis din, pero different spelling. I just changed it up a little bit kasi it sounded cool. So I just changed it to an X para naman may iba ng onte, unique. So yeah, and then yun yung naging Twitter username ko for a while, and I just kept it in-game for every game that I've played since.
Noise. Bale, dun sa Psychosis na, like, what's the original, like, yung sa wrestler ba yung spelling niya is pretty much the actual spelling niya, then in difference naman sa'yo is just...
Yun sa wrestler,
Ah,
yung sa wrestler Psychosis, Psicosis.
so,
Yeah. So slightly similar dun sa English spelling ng Psychosis, I guess.
And what's with the, 0205?
0205, that's the day of the anniversary of me and my girlfriend. So
Oh.
I use it in my username to make it, unique. Because Psychosis without the numbers is taken, unfortunately. So yeah.
Pretty cool backstory. Pero,
Yeah.
moving forward, dun kay Baby or kay Dayan.
Seryoso mo. Hindi, ayun. Sa akin kasi I was thinking of a name that would represent me or parang yung identity ko that I can use as IG handle, Twitter, and somewhere else. So, mix siya ng nickname ko at saka ng surname. Hindi ko na lang babanggitin yung surname ko. Pero kaya yung Dutch, kasi Chi yung nickname ko. So, Chi. Tu in French is do, kaya Dutch. Ayun lang siya.
Noise. Alam ko na yung sa numbers but I don't need to explain that shit. Next.
Number is my
sige.
birthday.
Ayun. 804. So yun, next would be si Sarah.
Hello. Yeah. So sa akin, wala namang solid background. It's just a name play. Kasi before, when I started DeviantArt, yung username ko doon, parang after couple of years na rin, parang naisip ko, ang lame naman. Kasi it's Sarah Usagi. So, I really like rabbits. Kaya naisip ko yung Usagi kasi it's the Japanese term.
Usagi.
Kaso, yun nga, over the years, parang lame na siya. So, I thought, bakit hindi ice cream? Kasi, well, who doesn't like ice cream, di ba? So, just had to think kung paano ba in-nameplay. And, usually, taken na siya. Kasi, well, it's not really hard to think of that. Kaya, ina-add ko yung 07 because of my birthday. So, ayun. It's just a really narrow, background.
To add that, actually may way back nung naglalaro pa ang League of Legends, may katropa rin kaming ice cream yung username niya sa league. So, wala lang yung like wala yung number sa akin, like I dot scream lang yung sa kanya. Wala lang, just to add that there.
Baka siya yung nangaagaw ng
Baka
mga
siya
ano
nga,
mo,
siya yung nasa
username
DeviantArt.
kapag nag-assign.
Joke.
Oo.
Hindi, di nag-art yun. Ay, we might need to plug that DeviantArt link if you want. So,
Yes, for sure.
yep. Um, yeah, next would be si Will I Am or Mr. Peanut Butt. Butt. Kahit ikaw natatawa.
Ano naman, simple lang naman sa akin. Fan ako nung show na BoJack Horseman. If familiar kayo guys. And then, nung nag-isip ako ng username for my PS4, nakita ko yung icon ng aso. And it really, really resembles one of the characters of the show, which was Mr. Peanut Butter. So, yun yung ginawang username. Though, nakulangan ako sa characters, kaya Mr. Peanut Butt lang yung nakalagay.
It was meant to be, pare.
It still came out okay naman. Yeah.
It was meant to be. Naalala ko rin kasi yun eh. Parang sabi mo, it should be Mr. Peanut Butter. Pero, kinulang ng dalawang characters.
Dapat meron binago with the characters or ang medyo judge para magkasya. Pero
PlayStation
I'm
decided
pretty much
for you.
okay naman with that.
PlayStation decided for you talaga, man.
It's
You know what?
his name,
Peanut,
so it's cool.
peanut butt is much better.
Peanut butt.
And
Yes.
again, lastly but not the least is Pau.
Yep. Nag-iisip ako dati ng Counter-Strike name. And then, that time fan ako ng Fushigi anime.
Ah,
So, naisip ko
Wow.
yung favorite character ko doon, si Sasuke. Pero wrong spelling. Kasi
Wrong
wala
spelling.
akong alam yung spelling kung ano yung paninig ko. Ganun ko siya spell.
kaya pala, okay, hindi ko na nagets.
Classic.
Okay.
So, yeah. So, Sasuke. And the I
Sasuke.
means kasi fan ako ng
Wait,
Apple
sorry, sa
products.
I, ano?
Dinagdag ko na lang yung I. Apple products.
Apple
Apple
products, alright,
products.
yeah, makes sense.
So, yeah. And 89, sigurado hindi yun yung birthday ko. Pero yun talaga yun. Year.
Birth year, yeah. Yeah, we're seeing a lot of pattern sa mga usernames. Like, I'm not sure kung sa mga Pilipino lang yun or internationally. Like, may username, like, literally words, then combine it with birth year, birthday, or whatever. May kinalaman. And before I forget, syempre, yeah, before I forget yung sa akin na naman, kung bakit Amor 94, simply because I started my own YouTube channel within mind na mag-Gundam content, and the first ever Gundam pilot is named Amuro Ray. So first name is Amuro, and syempre 94 would be yung birth year ko. Simple as that. I'm a big fan of that character, and pretty much yun lang naman. Yun lang naman sa akin. And just to add lang dun sa mga usernames nga, talagang may pattern nga per se. Like kahit yung sa mga ibang kaibigan na mga nakakalaro ko na throughout the years, online or offline, whatever. Laging high chance na may dinadagdag na na birth numbers and birth years and stuff like that. Ayun, so pretty interesting sa usernames, and siguro gusto ko nang tanong rin would be ano ba yung mga inaasikaso natin, like what are our hobbies before we even started this podcast. So usual roll call, let's start with Sean, and feel free to chime in na rin guys kung may mga questions kayo, syempre. Hot seat gaming.
Wait, so the question is like what we were doing before we
Yeah,
came up
yung-
with the idea for this podcast?
No, like like ano
Um,
yung mga inatupag mo na lang basically before we even started or thought about this podcast.
well, hobbies, I guess naglalaro ako ng games a lot. Especially since the start of lockdown, I've been playing a lot of online games because I got a PSN membership late last year. I got an eShop membership for my Switch noong March. I've been playing a lot of multiplayer games, Apex Legends, League of Legends, Valorant. I was playing Hearthstone up until about a couple months ago. I plan on picking up Legends of Runeterra. I'm
Damn,
planning on
dami.
playing damn near
Nice.
every esports game that's out
Adictus.
there that really, like
Gotta
that
catch
really
'em
speaks
all.
to me. Yeah, like
Catch.
I don't know, like kasi long-term aspiration ko rin yun is to, be picked up by some esports organization to be a content creator for them. I want to get good at one particular game and create content exclusively for that game. Siguro, maybe do some variety streams here and there. Yeah, I also stream. I forgot to make mention of that. I have a Twitch channel, same username
Plug
as
rin
my
natin
PSN.
yan.
And yeah, I guess that's where most of my time since the start of lockdown has centered. And it's one of the reasons why I wanted to do this podcast. It's because I wanted to focus on content creation and everything else. So yeah.
Makes sense, makes sense. How about on your end, Dooch?
Sa akin, hobby ko, aside sa mag-overtime, um, wag,
We all do.
mag-games.
Oh,
Yes. Like a lot of different games from you guys. And minsan, nag-ano din ako ng arts. Like, gumagawa din ako. Like, drawing and yung pinibuild ko na papercraft na Gundam na aabutin yata ng ilang taon bago ko matapos.
It is,
But
nakita
yeah,
naman
basically,
namin.
basically, yun lang namang dalawang yun. Other than that, natutulog or nanonood ng anime, nagbe-binge, ganyan.
Mm.
Ayun.
Nice.
Yung nagsaspam sa keyboard. Sorry.
Sorry, ako rin yun.
Ikaw rin yun. Nice.
Kasi medyo maraming kalaban.
Usapang OT na naman. Akala ko, sa keyboard eh. Pero yun,
That's my
Ano yun?
hindi, akala ko sa keyboard siya eh.
No. Maaga ako nag-out.
Buti. How about you, ice cream? Ice cream.
Ako, sobrang dami kong hobbies. Parang scheduled na nga. Scheduled na minsan. So, just this year, nag-start akong go back to video games. Kasi parang every year, nagbabago yung trip kong gawin. So, last year, trip kong mag-drawing. And year before that, trip kong basa ng mga novels. So, siguro, for this year, medyo mix lang yung nangyari dahil nga sa pandemic. So, more time, ganyan. And just now, actually, I'm trying to learn digital art kasi previously it's just parang traditional. So, sa tingin ko, medyo intimidating yung digital. Though, I see a lot of opportunities doon, like doing commissions and also parang making my own wallpaper. And siguro, para na rin sa makapag-gift ako sa mga kaibigan ko or sa inyo guys, kasi syempre kayo lang din yung kaibigan ko, ng wallpapers. Parang ang sad nun, no?
Hindi.
But ayun,
Bukod dyan yun. Yung
Alam
hobby
ko-
mo online shopping.
oo. Ayun, tinigilan ko na yun kasi masama siya.
And
So,
another.
sa mga hobbies din yung mag-online shopping, tumigil na rin kayo.
Itigil-tigil nyo na yan. Malaking kasalanan yun sa mundo.
Oo. You need help.
Better help.
Ah. Ah.
Ayun, anything else?
Ayun lang.
Okay. So,
Wala naman. Ayun.
sige. Next natin si Mr. Peanut Butt. I'm gonna keep telling Butt.
But,
Ah,
let's go.
ano ba?
Parang gusto kong isagot
Yung
para
pinaka-recent
sa'yo eh.
na hobby ko is really with Sige nga, ikaw na, Pat.
No,
Ikaw na sumagot pa sa akin.
I'm joking.
Magalit sa cyberpunk.
Magalit sa cyber.
Magalit sa Cyberpunk.
Cyberprank.
Oh.
Grabe. Side note, it's a good game, guys. Pero yun nga, bugs. Too many bugs. Sobrang unplayable siya. Anyway,
Stop grabbing it next week.
no, don't do it. Kung meron kang base PS4 or base Xbox, kung wala kang PC na maganda, don't get it. don't get the game now.
Yeah, I should
Yun
have
lang
told you
Just-
nga ano before
just
you
don't.
bought one kasi nga I always assume naka PS4 Pro ka. Tapos nung naisipan kong tanongin ka, bigla mo sinabing hindi. Or you
No.
said nope. So parang ako, nag-sign up the cross na ako dun
Umasa
sa
ako
bahay
eh.
ko eh.
Umasa ako. ang kakalaro ko na kasi ng Witcher 3.
Parang may,
And then,
parang may
sobrang-
nag-cheat sa yung babae the way you say it like that.
Kaya parang bakit pinagpalit ka
Umasa
ba?
ako eh.
Ba't
Umasa
parang
ako.
ganun yung galit mo eh?
If you guys played
Ikaw
Witcher
ba pinili?
Masa ako.
If you guys played Witcher 3, sobrang ganda niya. Ang dami kong oras na sayang doon. Na sobrang nag-enjoy ko. And then, yun. Nakita ko yung Cyberpunk. Binili ko. I played it. Wala. It's bad. As of now.
As of
It's
now,
bad.
I think
As of
collectively wala naman talaga nag-shit on the game. Yeah, collectively I think I can safely assume that sadyang it's in a bad state for now lang. But anyway,
yeah,
yun nga, ano pa ba yung
Yeah, maybe let's reserve this for a gaming episode.
Yeah.
yeah.
Sa episode 0 pa lang
Yes.
naman eh.
Or later.
Yeah, so I'm gonna keep it short now. Recently, no lockdown, I'm just really playing on console games. I just bought my PS4 last Christmas, and then I just played a lot of PS4 games. Actually, hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko kung walang PS4 during the lockdown. So, very
That's
thankful.
what I would ask nga actually.
Yeah,
That would be actually sad, honestly. Ano, puro Hearthstone ka?
Among Us mag-isa, ganyan.
Among Us, dalawang
Hindi ko talaga
dalawang
alam.
tao. ganyan.
Oo.
Among two.
One-on-one.
Pero yeah, you know, for what's happening on my end.
Pretty interesting. Like, yun na lang, isipin nyo na lang sa mga potential listeners, isipin nyo na lang, what if wala kayong console or any sort of video games that you can spend time on? Like, what if lang naman na wala kayo ibang hobbies kundi gaming, tas wala kayong outlet for video games? So, it's, parang siguro sumakto na lang din na binili mo yeah, o nga pala, parang anniversary na rin pala ng PS4 mo per se.
Yeah.
Oo nga, no, pero yun. Yeah, yun lang, parang something to think about. So, at the same time, thankful na lang din na may nakatupag na ibang bagay. Ayun, next is Pau.
Kala ko nakalimutan na ako.
Hindi.
Oo.
Nakatingin ako.
Dami kasi natin eh, no?
Ganun talaga.
Oh no.
Oh no. May teary-eyed ka na pala, yun.
Narinig niyo ba yung tulong ng luha?
Oo. Tunog jet.
Yung isang luha lang.
Tunog Australian.
Hindi
pre.
ako,
Luha.
Teary-eyed.
wala
Oo
namang
na, boss.
interesting masyado. Trabaho, Monday to Friday, 9 to 5:30. And aside from that, ano ba nga, since Sydney lifted the restrictions here, I started going out then.
Nice.
Start to roam around Sydney and around suburbs. And lately I've been documenting those trips. I've been uploading
Nice.
that in
Yeah.
YouTube.
Nice.
And what else? Still, my walang katapusang hobby, guitar and singing.
Music.
Uh,
Music.
and
Yeah.
the most
Music.
recent one na tinugtog ko kanina pa lang ay yung Put Your Record On. If you know the song,
Anong title?
Momni. Put Your Records On.
Push your record on.
What's that?
Records on.
Sample.
Sample.
Is that English or Tagalog or something?
Your favorite song.
OPM ba yan?
Put the hair down. Yun.
Ayos. Keep up the sorry. Keep up the music lang, men.
Yeah.
Marami akong kilala kasing talagang musically talented rin, and isa ka dun sa mga nag-maintain, kumbaga. Marami rin kasi nag-drop na rin sa musical talents nila. I mean, I think they didn't drop it on purpose. Parang siguro nawalan na rin sila ng time and financial investment dun sa music nila. And depende rin kasi kung anong instrument ang hawak nila. And
Yeah, hindi ko talaga bibitawan. It feels makes me feel it makes me feel good. So, ba't ko bibitawan yan? And tawag dito. Closet singer kasi ako eh.
Ano na?
I know the feeling.
Wow.
I know the feeling. Kasi ayokong kumakanta ng nasa public. I know the feeling.
Yeah, oo. Yun lang.
Hard to believe.
Hard to
Pero
believe.
yeah, sige.
It's hard to believe.
That I couldn't sneeze.
I couldn't sneeze.
Grabe.
Catch.
Ay, naku. Naalala mo pa ba to, men? Nung sa office pa. One verse, one chorus, pero lumagpas. nung nag-second verse, na-record pa kasi, nakita ko yung mukha ko nun eh. Ay, for context pala sa mga potential listeners. Nag-perform kami ng Buwan by Juan Carlos. Tapos andun pa yung CEO namin dun sa office nun. Tapos sabi pa ni Pao yung asin yun lang sinabi niya eh. One verse, one chorus. So syempre, sige go
May
lang.
bayad na kasi.
May bayad.
May bayad na kasi pag second verse.
Oo.
Naman, don't do something for
But you guys
free.
didn't get paid for that.
Yeah,
Did we?
correct.
Teaser.
May utang pa sa inyo si
Oo.
boss.
Si Box. Bigla na lang
Si
naglaho
Box.
eh.
30
Yeah, yeah.
seconds trial.
Basta nakita ko yun eh sa Facebook group ng company eh. Tapos tawag dito, nung pinanood ko yun, sobrang priceless nung reaction ko nung nag-second verse ka na eh. Nagtakang-taka ako nun. Anyway, ayun. Again, keep up
Anyway,
the
at
music
saka-
lang.
At saka si Willie, Sean, may kanta yan.
Yeah.
Composed ko.
Huh?
Anong song to?
Really?
What song?
Burnout ba
Boom
to?
tarat tarat. Boom tarat tarat. Ibang Willy pala.
Salamat
Si Kuya
Kuya
Will.
Will.
Di ako.
10,000! Yung laging galit. Pero yun, before I forget yung sa end ko naman, lagi yung nakakalimutan yung sa end ko. Siguro naging difference lang ever since yung pandemic is parang mas dumami lang yung time ko to spend on gaming as well kasi since working from home, after shift literal I can boot up my PS4 tapos laro na agad ng games, and I've been like the others, I've been playing a lot of games lately. Right now I'm trying to balance it with my YouTube channel. Like ayoko naman ng puro laro lang, syempre gusto ko rin mag-stream, mag-edit rin ng videos. So kakababalik ko lang din sa paggawa ng reviews ng Gundams for like I think 4-year hiatus ata yun, or almost 4 years na hiatus. So I'm so glad na nakabalik na rin ako. Syempre may mga other reasons kung bakit mahirap bumalik sa hobby. Siguro biggest na reason would be financial stability lang dun sa yung pag-maintain lang rin kasi ng channel. Pero yun, I'm happy dun sa mga constant subscribers ko, at saka yung mga bagong subscribers na sumusuporta sa akin, whether kilala ko or hindi. So alam niyo na kung sino kayo. So yun, other than that, eat. Other than that, yun yun nga, nasabi ko kanina yung streaming din. Nag-stream ako during pandemic, and it's actually fun lalo na kapag may nakikipag-interact sa'yo. I'm not saying naman na tinigil ko na, pero I used to record my gameplays offline, then edit it here, then upload na online. Tapos yun nga, I just throw it out there, tapos let's see kung I'm just seeing lang kung may nanonood lang or wala. Pero feeling ko mas efficient lang pag streaming kasi no need for editing, tapos full on content lang talaga for like an hour or so. Mga ganun lang. And it's much better to play with friends like you guys. So parang mas active lang per se. Ay lang naman, doon lang umikot yung buhay ko doon for lately. So I guess yun nga, upon sharing dun sa mga naging inaatupag natin way back, ang talagang ang laki ng epekto nung naging pandemic, ang laki ng naging epekto nung pandemic eh. Ini-imagine na ano kaya yung ginagawa natin or potential na gagawin natin kung hindi nag-lockdown, no? Like would it be still the same as before?
Puti pa rin.
Parang same lang eh, no? Kasi
Not for me.
not for you. So
No.
care to elaborate.
No,
Ayun, ikaw
not for
rin
me.
Will.
Say
Si
no,
Sean
yeah.
muna.
Alright. Kasi, let me, for
Parang
one,
seryoso.
like, I really wouldn't have picked up online multiplayer games if it weren't for the lockdown. It took me, I think, maybe 5 months of lockdown to pick up League. I started in August. Uh, I picked up Apex, I think, like 3 weeks after lockdown started because I wanted to do something here at home while I didn't have work. I wouldn't have picked up any of these games, and I wouldn't have streamed if lockdown hadn't started. I've been talking to my girlfriend about ideas about creating content for video games and whatever, or streaming on Twitch, but I hadn't even like made a channel or anything like that. Um, all of my efforts for that front, like got moved forward because of the lockdown. Because I get to spend almost all of my time here at home, like 99% of my time here is at home. So yeah, yung parang that's where everything started, I guess. Like midway through lockdown is where all my plans started, and now I'm moving forward again. I feel like I'm growing more than ever because of this. So yeah, I feel like like that's what happened to me because of the lockdown.
Ang laki talaga ng epekto nga in a way. Like, it can be positive for some people, negative for a lot of people, and kind of neutral or something interesting lang for some as well. Pero, ayun nga, it's a good thing, siguro, on a certain perspective, na it's a good thing rin na parang na-push ka rin no lockdown to try some new things rather than, yung parang usual shit lang natin na
Yeah.
kunwari, kung di nag-lockdown po siya, papasok na lang ng trabaho, uuwi. Whether may work o wala, parang may usual pattern ka, tapos ito yung alam mo nang gagawin mo. So, the lockdown kind of made us do something different lang. I mean, alam naman natin lahat, parang sa pagkakalala ko, parang nagsimula yun sa punyetang Dalgona Coffee na yun eh. Parang doon parang doon nag-start yun. Parang ang dami na nagayahan, tapos
I never tried.
yeah, me too.
I'm sorry.
Kasi
Never tried that.
nalaman ko yung process, it was
Me too.
what the parang ano yun, parang okay. Kind of interesting pero parang
It's lame.
not enough.
It's whack.
It's whack. But wait lang,
Not
I'm
interesting
hearing
to me, it's whack.
Will na nagre-react.
It's whack.
Are you saying that you have no idea what it is?
Dalgona Coffee?
Mm-hmm. You
Yeah.
have no idea what it
Yup.
is?
I have no idea kung ano yun.
Oh, okay. So
Wala ba naman siya ng
Um,
Nescafe?
I
Basically-
forget what it is, pero I think it's
DIY.
like frothy coffee. No.
Yeah, it's kind
You
of
basically
frothy.
beat the shit out of the beat the shit out of the coffee.
oh,
Basta super frothy nung coffee na yun. And
So-
a bunch of people made that shit because it trended. My girlfriend says it tastes like shit, so don't bother.
Okay. In a nutshell na lang, Will.
Yun yung takeaway ko. Don't
Ay, yung
bother.
takeaway mo.
Okay.
Don't bother.
Yeah, don't
Pero
bother.
Got
in a
it. It tastes like
nutshell,
shit.
like it's para doon sa mga walang idea rin kung ano yung Dalgona Coffee. Parang in a nutshell, parang babatiin mo lang yung kape tapos ihahalo mo siya sa the rest of the ingredients sa paggawa ng kape. So parang alam mo yun, nagtimpla ka lang ng kape ata. Ang difference lang is parang siguro yun, nagdagdag ka lang ng extra steps dun sa simple process mo. Pinahirapan mo yung sarili mo to make it interesting and upload it online. I'm not attacking anyone na gumawa na. I'm just saying lang, that's how I see it lang. Pero ayon sa girlfriend ni Sean, it tastes like shit, so I guess don't bother na. Don't bother. I mean, ang bilis-bilis
It's
lang
not
magtimpla ng
worth the
kape,
effort. Is another thing that she said. It's not worth the effort.
All right. So yun. I'll take your word for it and your girlfriend's word for it. So
Yeah.
yeah, I never tried it. And kayo ba yung sa mga iba diyan, nag-try ba kayo? Yung
Yeah,
pala
did you guys
feeling
make
attack na
Dalgona
pala sila eh, no?
Nope.
wanna
I'm
know.
too
The,
I'm too
Hindi rin.
busy.
Same. Ikaw Pau, nag-try ka na ba nun?
No, not worth my effort.
Oh, same.
See? I fucking told y'all.
Gano'n ba siya katagal gawin?
Dude,
Like,
imagine
sabi,
mo lang
parang
batiin mo
ganun,
yung
30
kape.
minutes siguro, parang ganun.
Oh, yeah, probably.
Grabe din naman. Hindi naman.
I
Ang
can't
alam ko,
remember eh.
mga 10 minutes mo siyang ibubugbugin. So, ayun.
Oo.
I don't know.
Ang
Siguro
trinay ko,
exception lang
drip
yung iba.
coffee.
Drip?
Yeah, it's basically parang meron ng brewed coffee doon
Ah.
sa loob ng filter. So, kailangan mo na lang buhos na mainit.
Maghihintay.
So, it tastes like
Yeah, I
brewed,
remember
pero
someone from
it's
the
fast.
office hyping that up. Yeah. Drip coffee.
Yeah, it's fast.
Shout out to
and
Joseph,
tastes
siya kasi
good.
nagpauso ng Sophie.
Yeah. I was gonna say it was
Yeah,
Max.
basically, siya din yung nagsabi
It
sa
was
akin.
Max.
He's like the
I
coffee
still call
guy
him
of
Max.
the
I'm
office.
sorry.
Yeah, Max Joseph. I just don't wanna say
Yeah.
his last name. Pero
Yeah.
ayun nga.
Don't dox the poor guy.
No,
So-
he's the coffee guy talaga, and like
Yeah,
ayun,
yes.
talaga anything
I'm
you
not-
ask about coffee, he knows, and he's yung mata niya talaga umiilaw talaga kapag nag-explain siya.
Yeah.
That's like his
Alam ko yan.
Gundam na lang
Natanong
per
mo ba
se.
kung natanong mo ba sa kanya
Kung
Kung bakit umiilaw yung mata niya.
Takina. yung ba tayo
Super
dyan yung ulit
saiyan.
tatanungin mo?
Wrong topic pala.
Ba't umiilaw yung
Anyway, mama off topic tayo sobra.
Hindi. It's okay. Okay naman off topic.
Yeah.
Yun yung nagpapaganda sa podcast. Pero yun,
Yeah.
so, again, yung sa tinanong kanina, I think ang nag-react lang naman sa huge changes with BC, Sean and William. Kasi sa akin personally, nothing big lang naman. Parang may change, syempre. For example nga, yung schedule nga nung playtime ko, usually napaglaro lang naman talaga ako nung wala pang lockdown, napaglaro ko siya per gabi. Ganyan. Tapos, a couple of hours lang. Di naman kailangan adikin sobra. Syempre, di pwede magpuyat. Ang naging difference lang sa lockdown is more playtime lang, and syempre yung sinusuot mo papasok na office, pwede ka na magpambahay na lang kagad. Yun, medyo siguro one of the big changes na lang, siguro ko consider kong big changes na lang on my end. Kasi di mo na kailangan magpantalo, di mo na kailangan magmedyas, magsapatos, naka-chinelas ka na ng shorts and t-shirt na lang. As in,
Kind of
Tapos
sad
ako,
about that actually.
yeah, actually,
Hindi mo
na-miss ko
kailangang maligo.
Di mo kailangan maligo 3 linggo, de joke lang. Pero yun,
Di yung totoo, mga dalawa lang.
mga 2 linggo,
Oo.
2 buwan, ganyan, de joke.
Tolerable.
Tolerable brand.
Lalo na kung mag-isa lang sa bahay.
Oo. Pag mag-isa ka sa bahay, baka makalimutan
Wala
mo
namang
na.
amoy sa'yo.
Oo. Except sarili mo.
Maligo ka lang
Depende.
kapag magka-claim ka ng package.
Oo, kiklaim ko na pa.
Babaan para sa sa delivery.
Pag sasabihin, oy, Shopee, nandito
Basically,
na.
hindi naman kayo
Ligo lang ako
maaamoy
yan.
eh. Kasi may mask.
Oo. Oo nga.
Shopee delivery po. Ligo lang ako ya. Mga ganun.
Ligo lang ako. Sige lang, sir. Take your time.
Shower
Tapos kabadong-kabado siya.
Ligo
Pero
lang
yun,
ako. Mapapabango pa ako.
Yung iba ba, like, sa inyo ba, sa daily routines nyo compared sa nung before lockdown, like, may naging big changes ba? Or pretty much same pattern lang rin na na-mention namin ni na Sean?
Well, ako, na-slate na ako natutulog ngayon dahil hindi ko naman kailangan masyado alalahanin yung travel time. So, even though I'm waking up at 6:30 in the morning to go to work, like, 'cause 7 yung start ng shift ko. I can sleep at like, 1:30, 2 in the morning. So, it gives me an extra maybe 1 or 2 hours to play. So, I can stream some shit. in that time.
Tama.
Yeah.
Yung iba?
Ako,
Yan.
marami specifically sa work and meron din sa personal. Sa work, ang dami namin na-miss na mga events which means free food, like socializing,
Shit.
Overrated.
free food sa office, free food sa client, free food sa mga partners, publishers.
Yeah.
So, yun. Miss kayo. Sana bumalik na yun. And, sa personal side, travels. Daming na
Totoo. Travel.
cancel na travel. So, yeah.
And then pala, travel.
Travel, yung kay Dutch
Yeah.
din, may mga naka-cancel. Kay Sarah rin pala, naka-cancel rin.
Kayo guys, like, what trips did you have canceled in 2020? Because I know almost everybody here has had one canceled.
Had to.
Yeah, same. I had two. One to HK, one to Tokyo.
Grabe, ang saklap. I mean, sa akin wala naman out of country or out of town. Like, may parang almost every other week parang nag-hangout ako with the boys. So, parang bigla na lang nawala 'yon. I mean, buhay pa naman sila, nandiyan pa naman sila. I just can't risk going outside lang para lang makipag-hangout. I mean, I'm too scared to risk it kasi ayun, parang alam naman natin, pandemic and it's a serious thing. Ayun. Siguro yun lang yung sa end ko.
I might as well make note din pala dun sa akin. Pero, as you guys might know, I resigned from my second job early this year. February ako nag-resign. Tiniming ko talaga yung resignation ko for a potential Hong Kong trip. Pero shortly before ako mag-resign, nag-start na yung pandemic, so they closed down they really filtered yung mga nagta-travel to HK, so nakikita natin na parang bumababa yung tao na pumupunta. I was supposed to be at Disneyland nung anniversary namin.
Oo siya, ayos yun.
But like, wala kami dun. And that's the third time my HK trip's been canceled. The first time na-cancel siya dahil sa riots. Second time, yan, pandemic. I'm pretty sure the third time may gera na siguro nangyayari. I don't know.
Grabe.
Or aliens.
Yeah, aliens could be.
Could be. Or
Earthquake, volcanic explosion, may biglang vulkan pala sa ilalim ng Hong Kong.
Or could be just pretty much aliens.
Basically, all you can think of.
Yeah, Pacific
Pero I
Rim
think-
bullshit, may Godzilla.
Pero I think aliens nga talaga.
Divergent,
Yeah, that sort of shit.
tectonic plates.
Tectonic. What?
Hashtag Sag. White people Sag.
Let's go, science girl!
Go.
Tsa, kakapal mo ko dito. Tectonic plates.
Tectonic plates, mitosis. Ay, iba pala yun.
Ba't puro tectonic
Mitochondria.
plates lang?
Mitochondria.
Mitochondria, powerhouse of the cell.
Mitochondrium, mga ganun.
I'm just saying scientific words na naalala ko, pero I have no idea what I'm talking about.
Quadratic formula.
Oh, what the fuck? It sounded like math.
That is math.
Okay, fucking hell. Nakakainis.
Algebra yun, pre.
Kilala niyo ba si Rene Descartes?
Polynomials.
Yeah, yung mga ganyan. X squared.
Alright. Ay, ito.
Anyway.
This one's quite interesting.
Go.
Like, how did we come up with this podcasting? Like, alam ko may kanya-kanya tayong reasons or kanya-kanya motivations kaya na-push natin na-push natin ng isa't isa na nagawin tong podcast. Like, there's a lot of chances way back, lalo nung early lockdown pa lang, that we could have done this, pero why now? Why not earlier or why not later, yung mga ganun. So, ayun, usual roll call sa'yo ba, Sean? Ano ba yung parang, kahit yung personal reason mo bakit na-push yung podcast, like what's the contribution per se, parang ganun.
For context, sa viewers, I feel like I was the primary one that pushed the idea of a podcast, and reason for that, I thought to myself, like I'm already doing some streaming and stuff. I want to make content with everybody in my life that matters to me. So I want to do I'm planning to do like a vlog with my girlfriend, for example. I'm planning to stream with friends, and I wanted to do something with you guys as well. So, and I felt like a podcast would be something interesting to explore. Like that was my main reason. I just wanted to do a lot of content, and I wanted to do it with people that matter to me. That's it.
Pretty beautiful. How about you, Dutch? That was fucking beautiful, by the way.
What more can I add?
I mean, pretty much the same.
Since andyan naman na yung idea, I just went with it kasi gusto ko rin naman kayo maka-bond. I just see this as bonding with you guys. So yeah, go lang. And siguro makakatulong din sa akin yun dahil alam niyo naman na medyo addict ako sa pagtatrabaho. So if I know that there's something else to do, especially with you guys. Yeah. Diba? Yun, parang encourages me to do something else. Ayun lang.
Which is good. Which is great.
Really good.
Yes.
Another beautiful reason. How about you, Sarah?
Ice cream.
Ice cream?
Sa akin, ice cream.
Ice cream.
Well, I miss din yung mga parang late nights natin that we can't really do anymore.
Yeah.
So, I'm really into this idea of talking with you guys, especially since parang we went on our own ways na rin. So, ayoko naman na parang mag-drip apart na lang tayo. And it's
totoo.
kind of similar to catching up, parang ganun. Like, we used to talk about random stuff all the time sa office, ganun. So, I think this is a way to do that again.
It is, yeah.
Ayun.
It's part of my reason then. Why?
Oh.
Ayun. Perfectly splendid.
Splenda. Ay, mali. Di tayo sponsored nun.
Splenda.
Pa-sponsor daw.
So, ayun lang.
In short, I love you guys. That's why we're doing this.
Kilig.
Oh.
I love you too.
Yeah.
Ito isa sa mga tahimik ko. Sa'yo, Will. Wala, pinilit lang nila ako.
Sino tahimik?
Slavery.
Sabi po nila, ay, hindi, mali.
Wala po.
Sabi nila, sabi nila luhod, tapos binaba niya yung... Hindi, joke lang, ikaw.
Ginapos ho nila ako eh.
I invoke my right to
Self-discrimination,
not say
Char.
anything.
Self-discrimination.
Kaya ano lang, simple na naman. I don't dream now as of being a content creator like you guys. So, I see this pod as something na, honestly, just to, for a chance to bond with you guys and just a good time. That's it. To be honest. Nothing cheesy about it.
But it is.
Just go with the flow.
Pero yeah.
Ayun lang.
I'm seeing a pattern here, which is, again,
Yeah.
nandun pa rin yung comment ko mula nung kay Sean pala. It's fucking beautiful. Pero yun, next would be si Pao.
Yeah. Simple. Why not? If it's something new, if it's walang yun, go for it, again, why not?
Exactly.
And also, to add to that, motivation. At toilet, meron kang you look forward. So aside from other, this podcast could also be like one thing to be motivated about. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Fucking beautiful. Anything else? Like, yun na yun? Medyo nag-topic kasi, sorry.
Napansin ko lang, for everyone, yung basic na reason is, I miss you guys.
Yeah, ganun
Isn't that
na.
it?
Yes.
Yun nga rin yung sa akin eh. Like, ganun din, parang pretty much, parang halo-halo na lang. Pinaghalo-halo na nga lang na ang naging bottom line niya is yung sa bonding. Like, I think parang unspoken na siya na alam naman natin lahat na bonding lang talaga. At yun yung parang main reason. Kasi nga, for context sa mga potential listeners nga is, dati kaming lahat na sa isang office lang, ngayon magkakaibang office na. Like, may tatlo pa sa amin na sa isang office. Pero we don't know what will happen in the future. Pero regardless, ang bottom line niya nga is yung keeping up the relationship going na lang. And again, it's beautiful. And siguro yung good shit, cheesy shit. Pero yun, should get. Pero yun, siguro to add more lang din sa motivation. Dati kasi kahit nagustuhin ko, kahit nung di ko pa kayo kilala, matagal ko na talagang iniisip to eh. Hindi ko lang ma-suggest kasi on my end, parang ano ba yung limitation. Una-una yung hardware and software. Like, ano ba yung pang-record, anong platform ba yung gagamitin. Hanggang sa parang nag-improve na tayo ng kanya-kanyang gear natin, and out of nowhere, yung PS4 conveniently adds a voice chat dun sa application nila na kailan ko lang nalaman dahil sa inyo, which is a really convenient feature. Dati kasi wala talagang voice chat through mobile eh. Talagang purely sa console lang. So, for context din eh, ang first option would be Discord, and parang pinush ko na lang yung PlayStation application kasi napansin ko mas stable siya, I think. I think pwedeng may magsabi na mas okay pa ng Discord, pero since ito na yung ginagamit natin, sige, push na rin natin. Parang gano'n. And yeah, again, it's really beautiful lang na halos pare-pares tayo ng reason. Talagang we just miss each other. Siguro one last na small topic na lang sa podcast na to would be, ano ba yung magiging theme natin? Parang alam kong may mga sagot na kayo
It's not a
dito.
small question.
Alam
It's
ko,
not a small
pero
question. That was
pero-
the entire reason this.
yeah. Pero parang I'll try to answer briefly na lang. I'm hoping na baka masagot na rin, masabi ko na rin yung mga potential na sagutin niya. Pero if hindi, ayun yan. Sound your comments
Go lang.
na lang. Hindi, sound your comments down below. Hindi, joke lang. Siguro, sa theme na lang, parang talagang 2 days ago ko pa ata iniisip, like, ano nga ba magiging ikot nung podcast natin. Ang dami pwede pag-usapan. Tulad yan, yung mga napag-usapan natin kanina, na hindi lang one-offs, like yung life in other countries. Like, I can't tell, pero what if may isa pa sa atin na baka tumira na rin in the future sa ibang country, tas we kept in touch pa rin. So, magandang i-share rin yung experience na doon kung magiging, kung na-enjoy niya ba, kung tama lang, or gusto niya na umuwi, yung mga stuff like that. And, ano pa ba, yung naisip ko rin, ano pa ba yung mga interest natin hindi naman literal same wavelength, but everyone has a say to it. For example, anime. Like, pag sinabi kong Boku no Hero Academia, parang ang labo namang may isa sa atin hindi alam, di ba? Parang ang pinaka nag-push ata sa akin manood nun, kung hindi si Pau, si Sarah. Parang, nung pinanood ko yung parang, okay, ganun pala kaganda to, parang ganun. So, that's
Ay, hindi
the
ko lang
anime
narinig
side.
yung My Hero na yun.
All Might to.
Oromaito, ganyan.
United!
United States.
Overrated.
Overrated.
Wag na.
Damn.
Overrated.
Ito
Really?
na.
Pero sa ano na yun?
Damn,
Sa anime,
Episode
anime
1.
specific.
Anime specific episode, yeah. And,
Yes.
nga, parang siguro, full disclaimer na, you technically don't need to answer that question, yung kung ano yung magiging theme natin. More like a discussion thing na lang na, yun nga, nagbabato ko ng ideas right now na, for example, pag sa anime side niya, parang I'm thinking, what if we say, we talk about just one anime na for sure alam ng lahat. For example yung Boku no Hero, probably Shingeki no Kyojin na rin in the future. Not only anime, like games na nalaro na natin way back in the 90s, probably early 2000s, mga stuff na ganon. Yun yung parang common ground nating anime. Anime ba tayo? Well, nating lahat eh. Parang common ground natin. Hindi ko na kailan
Up top,
tayo.
pre.
Ano tayo? Bibili-bilang ko. 1, 2. Anim tayo.
Up top sa screen, pre. May 6 sa taas, oh.
Pero and yun. So ayun lang naman. Kayo ba sa tingin niyo ano ba yung mga magiging potential themes natin? Alam ko hindi lang naman iikot yan sa isang theme lang. Syempre ano yung magiging themes natin per episode? Saan iikot sa tingin niyo on the succeeding episodes? Like ano yung sa tingin ninyo? Ikaw Sean, ano yung sa tingin mo?
Yeah. Sana di mo ako inuna, diba? Kasi di ko rin sure. Pero,
I mean, we can skip it.
wala,
Sige,
ang hirap
sige.
kasi,
Mahirap talaga.
Like,
Sige,
tinawag
you
mo
try.
na ako eh. So like, kasi I've been thinking about it since the start of the episode. Yung parang,
Okay.
We don't have common ground talaga. Like maybe there's common ground for 5 of 6 of us for every individual topic. Pero, alam mo yun, yung
Which is
parang,
good.
Which is good.
5 of 6 is good, pero it's not perfect. Gusto ko sana, everyone can chime in on something. Walang ma-OP. Yun yung gusto ko sana na topic. But we don't really have that kind of thing. Like, for example, we can talk about movies, pero like,
May
we
isa o
don't
dalawang
watch the
di-
same
di
kinds of
alam,
movies.
Pero that's the thing
parang
nga
hindi
eh.
naman tayo lahat nakapanood.
That's the thing nga na parang ang question is, do we really need to have every single one na makarelate ka agad sa isang topic? Parang parang ang positive side dyan would be, let's say, anim nga tayo, di ba? So, what if tatlo sa atin is
Okay.
hindi alam yung kung ano may pinag-usapan alam ng yung other half. Parang ang nakikita kong positive side dyan would be, what if super hype sila dun sa kung ano man pinag-uusapan nila and they're like, influencing the other half na lang. For example, I talk about, kunwari lang na tatlo sa atin na nakalaro na ng Spider-Man game and yung other half nga is, have no idea what it is or may idea kung ano yun pero never played it. Yung mga ganong stuff. Like, syempre they would ask na, ano ba meron maganda doon? Like, how is it interesting for you guys? Yung ganon. So, That's just my perspective lang. Pero yun nga, on your end na yes, it's not perfect per se na hindi nga na wala nga tayong perfect common ground, pero at least parang may certain kind of interest per se.
Agree. Kasi yung tendency ng isang tao na walang alam sa topic na yun is mag-question. Tapos and para din makakasabay din yung mga listener na walang alam din sa topic na yun. So,
Actually, para ikaw ang perfect example pa eh.
Yeah. For example, yung tendency tatanong magiging magandang perception yung topic kasi may perspective from the outside, wala idea. Yeah.
Yung ano may iba ka pang ano on your end, Sean?
I feel like ang magiging main na topics na pwede nating pag-usapan para at least merong slight common ground for everyone would be pinakamalapit na siguro games tsaka anime. Kasi sa
yun talaga
games, naisip ko parang lahat naman tayo kahit papaano naglalaro naman tayo ng video games kahit mobile. Tapos sa anime, all of us have at least seen one series at the very least.
Yung weird naman kung hindi.
Ay, hindi. Kasi some people don't like anime. That's the thing.
Yeah, pero sa ating anime,
yeah.
di ba? Anime.
Yeah.
Anime.
Anime.
Like, so anime.
It's like, di ba? Wait, yun. How about you, Dooch? I just realized kasi na, I'm actually proud right now na naka 1 hour na tayo. So, it's pretty much freestyle na lang. Pero yun nga, on your end, Dooch.
I think, with that, pwede naman magtanong, like, would you rather stuff?
Oh.
Kasi that's something na we can easily discuss among us. Diba? Tapos, ano pa ba? Kung doon sa anime, yeah, we can go with that. Tapos, ano yung mga natapos sa series and ano yung, halimbawa, mag-list ng top 3.
Oo.
Ooh, yeah, I wanna do that, yeah.
Yeah.
Right? Para yung ibang hindi pa nakapanood nung ano na yun, we can like, parang sharing lang din yung mangyayari instead of
ganun mismo.
ano, diba?
Perfect example talaga si Pao. Kunwari, naubusan na siya ng papanoorin. Guys, may gusto ba kayo recommend na anime? Kasi, like, yung huling call lang natin, may na-recommend na naman akong series sa kanya, yung Brooklyn Nine-Nine. Sigaw-sigaw dyan sa mga nakakapanood na.
9-9!
Pero yun,
dito na yung source ng ano ko, dito na yung source, sa podcast na to, dito na yung source ng
papanoorin mo. Yung mga bagong potential na yung hobbies. Oh, di ba?
Ano masama doon eh?
Wala talaga eh. Actually, super fruitful niya.
Log gooch.
Anyway, sorry, I'm not really rushing anyone naman, pero sige, rush natin. De joke. How about you?
Maybe sunod yun na agad si Will.
Si Will na nga actually.
Nag-isip pa ako, wait.
Oh my God,
Niyo ako.
Hindi, kasi yung inaisip ko kasi biyahe mo, pre.
Si Sarah.
Okay lang, go lang.
Alright.
Okay.
How dare you?
Go chat.
And then, charot lang. And then, ayun. Well, gaya-gaya lang naman ako ng recommendation. Pero, since nabanggit nyo na rin naman yung mga parang siguro top 3 on your side, ganun. So, to make it relatable for people naman na, let's say, hindi talaga sila mahilig manood for some reason kahit na nasubok na ng pandemic yung time nila sa bahay. Pwede naman like
TikTok
mga top 3.
manood ng anime.
Oo. Like top 3
Sayang
places na siguro na-visit nyo na before and you would recommend to people na siguro when nagkaroon na ng vaccine, pwede nilang i-visit, ganun. So, at least we get ideas din kung ano yung mga pupuntahan natin sa susunod na pwede lang tayong gumala ulit. So, something like that. And
Pwede, yeah.
Tsaka yung mga
That's a
yung
good
mga
episode.
lumalabas-labas pa rin dyan na yung mga matatapang at na
sa tindahan.
mga sa tanda ni Alan Mena, de joke lang.
Ano ba mga recommendation ko? LTO, mga
NBI.
Grocery.
DTI. Maganda ron.
Pagay ng adventure.
Saan yung
Parang
pinaka-less
good.
crowded na grocery. Ganun.
BIR. No?
Alam ko
Fun
sasabihin ni
times.
Sarah, top 3 places sa bahay nyo na gusto mong puntahan.
Oo.
Super
Ganun.
interesting
Ano
sa
ba mga
CR.
top 3 places mo sa bahay na paborito mo?
Oo.
Explore nyo muna yung sala nyo, baka may di pa kayo nakikita sa bahay nyo.
Ayun.
May,
So,
may konting
Hindi ba may
connection.
nahanap na ano?
so pwede yun. Or
Tama,
parang top 3 na, sana ginawa mo nung pandemic, ganyan na magkaka-vaccine or whatsoever.
Oo, tama.
Na sana natulog ka pa ng mas mahaba.
Ilagay nyo sa
Ay,
spreadsheet yung
that
ano.
sounds Gucci.
Ay, i-chat nyo sa akin yung mga ganyang ideas. Shit, sobrang gaganda ng ideas niya. Ayan, ito na.
Sa group chat.
May sagot ka na ba, Box Will?
Naisip pa rin
Oh
yung
God, wait.
Na pressure.
Isip ko yung biyahe niya.
Isip yung
Sige,
biyahe.
Paano kung
sige.
magta-travel pa
Let's-
ako?
Yeah, aside sa mga na-mention nyo, ang naisip ko pa parang movies, TV shows. So parang given na siya. Like we're gonna watch a movie or entire series or kahit some episodes lang and then try and discuss about it. Or pwede naman din na
Basta wag
Parang-
horror, no?
Yeah,
gusto ko-
please lang.
Yeah.
Kasi hindi tayo magkasundo dun pag may horror.
Parang
God.
parang
I think
attack
hindi,
siya.
hindi ko mo like
No horror.
Feeling ko attack na attack
Gonna
si Will.
exit the chat pag nagkaroon ng horror.
Horror is hard pass.
Ano
Yeah.
nakakatawa pa tayo
Ano
pang
yun eh?
mga lalaki yung ayaw no? Tangina.
Sorry to the mga,
Nakakaloka
sorry sa mga
kayo?
horror buffs. Horror
Gender
buffs na
equality.
listeners, I'm sorry, pero I
Yeah,
can't do it.
But yung girlfriend ko, she's a horror buff. I'm sorry, but
Oh
I
my
can't appreciate shit like Junji Ito, man. I can't.
Oh, Junji Ito is so good actually. Pero
Yeah, but I
manga
cannot
lang yun.
appreciate that stuff.
Manga
yeah.
lang yun. Pero kapag ginawa nilang visual yun
Like-
na movie
Damn.
or anime.
Like I tried flicking through pages ng Tommy. If you guys know about the book Tommy.
Yeah.
Oh my God,
Sarap na chicharia rin.
scarred me for a
Nightmare
few
Fuel.
days. Scarred me for a few days.
Shoutout
Not
ulit sa
fun.
Tommy.
By the guy,
Yeah.
pretty rough.
Yeah.
Alright.
But anyway, yeah. So
Great
something
idea.
like that.
Mhm. How about you, Paul? Coming from someone na yung parang gagamitin ng podcast para kumuha ng ideas or probably news shows and shit na pwedeng panoorin or
Paps.
natapagin.
Any ideas for ya?
Yung naisip ko, I think it's also good na mag-share ng knowledge sa podcast,
Share na?
maging informative. Like it could be a skill or parang
Digital
how to use
marketing.
Sequoia.
Oh, wow.
Oh,
Doon tayo sa interesting, no, Will? Doon tayo sa super interesting.
Something that you're good
Yung outside work, please.
yeah, something that you're good at.
To
You
others.
just acquire-
nasuka ako ng onte, sorry.
Yeah, and share it to the group.
Tama.
Yeah.
Parang magandang topic din yung ano, no? What is your...
Like for example, perfect example, huwag na tayo lumayo. Skip natin, digital marketing.
See?
I puked a bit, I'm sorry.
Nice.
Yeah. Para may,
Hate word.
para may segment tayong
Technical.
informative at
Oh.
educational.
Oo, totoo.
Pwede, but like, yeah, baka mahilo ako during the segment, so.
Okay lang yun. Pero yun, actually, fruitful rin yun.
And
Okay
also,
yun yan.
and also, like, a reaction, any reaction, for example, specific episode.
Ay, naku, men, totoo yan. Ah, shit.
Yeah.
Kaya kahit
what can you say
movie.
about this? Nagaganito siya, or then,
Eh, yung ano, yung magkakasama
Something
tayo
action,
tapos ano, yung binuksan ni Doctor Strange yung ano, yung tag dito. Basta sasasin tayo binuksan ni
Spoilers.
Doctor Strange. Spoilers pa ba
Spoiler
yun?
pa.
Come on, dude.
It's not spoilers!
Banyo.
Jesus
How old is
Christ.
that
Buksan
movie?
niya yung banyo.
Binuksan niya yung banyo, de joke lang, yung portal, tapos sabi ni Paul, gumanon siya sa gilid kasi niya. Mga tatlo, apat na tao lumingon sa kanya, tapos tawa ko ng tao.
Wrong movie.
Hindi wrong movie eh. Doon mismo, kaya siguro dahil lumingon, sabi, para ko, what the fuck? Like, ingrained na sa memory ko, hindi na mawawala sa akin yun. Talagang, kinuwento ko sa pinsan ko, sa mga katropa ko. Naka-upload na siya sa utak ko, men. Like, super priceless moment yun. Tapos yung, kasi yun yung second time na pinanood ko yung movie eh. Yung first na ko pinanood yung movie nung nung nakuha yung Mjolnir, may sumigaw, puta, let's go, may gumanon. Gumanon sa movie.
Wait, sorry.
Alright, ano meron?
No, sorry.
Alright.
I saw something. Sorry.
Alright. Pero on my end siguro parang panapos na lang din. Parang nasagot na lang lahat ng sagutin niyo pretty much yun na lang din yung sa akin. Parang ang daming pwedeng reasons or purpose pala ng podcast. Like pwedeng pang bonding, pwedeng maging educational, pwedeng for sharing, pwedeng what if may hidden talent ka na gusto mo ipagmalaki. Mga ganun shit lang. Tangina. For ano rin sa mga gusto mag-plug nga rin ng something na gusto nilang i-share nga na hindi pa na-share ever, mga stuff like that nga, ganun. So, super interesting lang na parang akala ko at first parang pang-bonding lang siya, pero habang tumatagal parang nare-realize na super laki ng purpose ng podcast rin talaga. Like, bonding talaga yung pinaka-main na purpose personally on my end, pero ayon dun sa mga sagutin nyo, parang nag-grow siya into something way better. And I highly appreciate that. So, yun. Yun lang naman sa end ko. And, I guess, ayun na lang din. I'm checking right now. We're like an hour and 11 minutes and I'm really happy na parang super fruitful ng podcast na to. Like, let's clap for ourselves, guys. Woo! Yun lang. Tapos yun.
Virtual clap.
Slow claps. Kaya. Pero yun,
Insert clapping sound effect.
Yeah. Pero tayo lang din. Yay! Slow clap, pampangit pa yung ganun. Ayun, I'm not really sure how to end the podcast. So, probably pwede natin pag-usapan sa susunod na podcast kung paano sisimulan at paano tatapusin. Pero, thanks so much for listening, guys. And, I'm just winging it right now. Pero thanks for listening, guys. And I hope naging fruitful and entertaining sa inyo yung podcast. This podcast will be available for mainly on YouTube. We're planning to stream this moving forward sa Twitch as well. Para maganda rin na habang nag-uusap kami, bigla may mag-chat na like questions na pwede namin masagot. And personal end goal ko would be to upload this whole series however long this may be sa Spotify. I've been searching kung paano. Libre lang pala siya pero parang super technical niya. Parang basta may RSS feed and shit pa. So if someone can help me online or kung sino man sa inyo na makatulong sa akin, please let me know. Pero yun lang, mainly pinaka available to sa YouTube. So hopefully you guys would hang out with us whether online or offline. So thank you so much, guys. Say bye na rin, guys.
Yeah.
Bye, guys.
Thanks for listening, everyone. Episode 0. Please look out for our future episodes. Yan lang.
How about
Y'all are
the others?
beautiful.
Beautiful.
Awesome.
Perfectly splendid.
You're breathtaking.
You're breathtaking.
You're all breathtaking.
Legend.
Legends.
Thanks.
Shoutout pala kay Mr. McFadden.
Yeah, I know you're listening out there somewhere, my man.
My man, like 95%
Maboy.
ng usapan natin hindi niya naiintindihan, but
My
we know
man.
you're just there. Alright. Thanks so much, guys. Bye-bye. See you.
Anyway, cheers.
Thanks, guys.